This is an AI voice agent chatbot, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start selling them to local businesses in your area. No fluff, no gatekeeping. I'm going to show you the easiest way to get started. Now, as you can see on my screen here, this is the AI voice agent that I have installed on my website. Now, you can use this as a voice agent or a chatbot, but essentially, when somebody comes on my website, they can talk to my support agent here as if they were talking to somebody on the phone. You can book in an appointment with me. And so I'm going to show you how you can do this with other businesses and start reaching out to them today. So if we head on over to my whiteboard here, selling AI receptionists and chatbots to local businesses. Now, my chatbot is installed through GoHighLevel. And so I'm going to show you how to do that in a second here. But just to explain the benefits so you understand when you're selling these agents to local businesses, you can look at it like this. So a human receptionist, they can only work a limited amount of hours, whereas an AI voice receptionist, well, they don't take breaks. They work for you 24/7 and you don't have to give them raises. So that's good. The AI receptionist is all knowing. So unlike your human receptionist, this AI will not make mistakes. It does not have a bad day. It is up to par 24/7 all the time. And if you look at it at the financial breakdown here, so if your client misses 3 calls per day at $250 per call. That is 21 calls, $5,000 lost every week, 22K lost every month, and 200K a year, depending on how many calls they're missing. Now, obviously, you want to find the businesses that would benefit the most from this. Probably not businesses that have 0 reviews. You want to go after businesses that have some money and that have some stuff going for them already and sort of see the benefit of AI. And so in my GoHighLevel right here, you'll see that I have the ability to create a voice AI agent. Now, let's say you go on Google Maps here. This is one of the best methods just to start getting leads and directly outreaching. So if you get a lead from there and they want to do something, you can just come in to the marketplace here and you can build right from a template. So let's say you reach out to an HVAC business on Google Maps. If I type in HVAC here, well, there you go, HVAC contractor services. And obviously you can use these and tweak these and make your own and customize them for your client. Make it make sense financially. Okay. If you create one of these chatbots, let's say you don't even use GoHighLevel, but let's say it's around the same price, even if you use a different service. The starter plan is $97. So if you pay $97 and you get one client and you charge them at $500 a month, that pays for your whole GoHighLevel and whole software right off the bat. Now, if you can't get one client, I mean, maybe this isn't for you. I think everybody can get one client, especially how new AI is and how hot it is and how many businesses haven't implemented them already. And so I will show you that exactly right now. So if we do come over, and you can do this for any business, any niche, but I typed in HVAC businesses Toronto because I'm around that area. And let's just open up a couple websites here randomly. I'm just opening them up and showing you exactly what I'm pulling up here. So you can see this website. They probably need a new website too. So you could probably offer that as well. But you see that they don't have an AI chatbot. So if you come on this website, you can call them. If they don't answer, then I'm going to go somewhere else. And you can also add that on their website too. So they can have a voice agent attached to their phone line and just on their website. So they don't have that here. If I called them and they didn't answer, I might go somewhere else. Let's open up another one here. BlackRock HVAC, they don't have a chatbot either. Let's just do a couple more here. Let's actually go restaurant, Toronto. Let's do a couple different niches so you guys can really see the entire opportunity here. 416 Social Restaurant, they don't have a website. Let's find a website here, lotrestaurant.com. And let's go with House on Parliament. Let's open this one up as well and we will see. So this restaurant, the Chase Toronto, they don't have a chatbot on their website, so they're missing out there. This one doesn't as well, and House on Parliament doesn't have one either. So literally every website that I've opened up, they haven't had a chatbot. So that is a huge opportunity for you to just go and reach out to them and offer them this service. And now that you see the opportunity, it kind of starts to make sense financially. And what you can do, like I said, is just sell first and build later. Now, if you use this software, you do get a 14-day free trial, so you don't even have to pay for anything. You can start building them today and start offering them to clients, start outreaching, and then build one. I'm sure you can get somebody in 14 days on the phone and at least trying to do something with you. And you can use that free trial and just start and get up and running, and you're good to go. Like I said, at a $97 per month software, your first client pays for the entire system, and everything after that is pure profit. Now, another thing with these is there's more work up front. So if I come over to GoHighLevel here, I have to build out this agent, right? I go create a custom agent. I go through the entire process of building the agent. And I have a separate video on that if you want to watch how to actually build these. I just want to show you the simplest way possible to get up and running and start outreaching to potential clients for yourself so you can make some income from this. Okay, so that literally there's a few different steps and your agent is created and you can use it on web and a phone call for your client. All you have to do after that is come to sites, go to chat widget, go to your agent here, and then all you have to do is go get code after you style it, make it the right colors for the business. All you have to do is go get code, you copy this in, and then you install it in their website. Now, if it's on WordPress or Framer, I use Framer. Whatever their website is, you just have to put this in the footer or somewhere in the body of their website, and then it will pop up like this on the bottom right. It is literally as simple as that. Probably the most important part that I want to go through in this video is just how to get leads simply and effectively. Okay, I see a lot of videos, they show all these crazy in-depth methods, and when you're just first starting with this, you kind of just want to get up and running with the simplest ways possible. You don't need some crazy automation when you don't even know the basics. Okay, so the first, like I showed you, was Google Maps. And I think this is just the best way. All you have to do is come over here to Google Maps, type in whatever industry that you want to target, whatever you want to build AI voice agents for. You don't really have to be super picky because it's very simple to build for any industry. So you're going to want to come to Google Maps. You can straight up call them. You can straight up call them. You can add them to a lead list and do it like that, and add it into a Google Sheets. You can email them from here, but I would just straight up call them because you can see that they don't have a chatbot, and then you can add more services onto that if you want to. Come to Google Maps, start calling people, start getting your name out there, do a couple demonstrations. From there, you'll be good to go. That's the first way that I recommend, which is the fastest way. You can see here the number one fastest way is Google Maps, direct outreach, and cold call. I find the second best way is to run Facebook ads. If you haven't run Facebook ads before, that is fine. It is not super difficult. There is a bit of work up front, but I would say Facebook ads is definitely the second best way to get up and running. Get a camera, use your iPhone, record yourself demonstrating you using the AI chatbot on a demo website for different industries. You can target them to different areas. You can target them to different areas in the world. And so I think Facebook ads is the second best and most simple way to start getting some leads for yourself. Now, the third way would be YouTube. Not everybody wants to be a YouTuber. Not everybody wants to start that. So that is why I put it third. It is also more of a long-term play, but essentially you're already doing the work and demoing it on your YouTube channel. So when people come and watch your channel, they know that you can already do the service and they already trust you, which is why I put it as third. And by the way, guys, if you did want a full description and guide on this, I'm going to be putting it in my Skool platforms, the AI Automations Club, where we build automations and show people how to make money with AI. I'm going to be putting it in the classroom section. So if you did want to join and get some more information on this and just have sort of a documented copy of it, go ahead and check out my Skool. If you did want to start building with GoHighLevel, you can get a 14-day free trial, no upfront costs. You can start building your AI agents today and start selling them to local businesses in your area. It has never been easier in the history of time to do so. You don't have to build the program yourself. If you use GoHighLevel or use a different program, it's built for you already. All you have to do is plug and play. It is literally as simple as that. You don't have to do any crazy coding. You can just do the marketing and outreach, and then the rest follows. You can be kind of a one-man operation in that sense. Now, AI is a new service that is still untapped by business owners. As I showed you before on Google Maps, I went through a ton of different businesses and nobody is using this service. And there's a huge benefit to it because if you're missing phone calls, and you're missing people that outreach to you in your business, they're going to go to your competitor and you're going to lose money. If you put it in that perspective, and that is what you tell the people you outreach to that you are potentially going to work with, I guarantee you that you will at least have some success. Now, the results aren't guaranteed, but if you put in the work and believe in yourself, I think this is a great opportunity that's possible for you and for anyone in the AI space. If you guys did like this video, please leave more video ideas down below, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as well. It means a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.